Hola, welcome to Learning Spanish for Kids Word of the Week. The word of the week is tornado. Wow, look at that thing. Tornado is also tornado in Spanish. Advertencia de tornado. Vaya a un lugar seguro ahora means tornado warning. Go to a safe place now. Say it with me. Advertencia de tornado. Vaya un lugar seguro ahora means tornado warning. Go to a safe place now. Thank you for watching Learning Spanish for Kids Word of the Week. Follow us on social media and visit our website for more details on our online lessons and more. Until next time, adios.